In the next 1 year, 4 months from now, the face of Zambia at the first entry point will have a complete new face altogether. The new state-of-the-art Kenneth Kaunda International Airport passenger departure lounge Terminal 2 is now near completion. As we enter this gigantic building, let's find out exactly what passengers will expect.
Then you go up into the departure area and you catch your connecting flight. If your final destination is Zambia, you go down here. So that's where we're heading now.
How about boarding?
You don't actually have to walk outside and or get the bus. You just walk through the tunnel and then you find yourself in the plane. So we're having 6 of those. So some will be on this side, some will be on this other side. We'll also have chairs for people that are waiting to depart. There'll also be desks there, boarding gates as well. So we can just have a look through. On the other side, this side, we also have some lounges for seeing the green. That's the escalator. And of course, we also have some stairs for 5 people. So where you're seeing the gentlemen working on both sides, we will have 28 check-in counters. So some on this side, some will be on that side. We'll also have a couple of restaurants and things like that. So basically, for those who will be catching aircrafts or planes rather, or flights that are not using the aero bridge, they'll be waiting in here. Remember we showed you where the other departure lounge is. So this one is where they'll be waiting, and then a bus will come, pick them up from here, and take them to where their plane is waiting in order for them to board the plane. So you'll still be using the new terminal, but then you can still be boarding the plane from the other side for those planes that are not using an aero bridge.
Apart from those 7 gates of security, this terminal building will also house a transit inside hotel. But a few meters from Terminal 2 is the General Hotel. Communications and Brands Manager Mwembe Sikaulu explains more.
If you are, for example, traveling and you're in the hotel over here, you'll be able to see the screen telling you that, okay, your flight is leaving at this time or that sort of thing, or if you're waiting to pick up someone who's arriving as well. Basically, we have 2 hotels. One is this one that we're standing in. The other one is inside the actual terminal. That hotel will be mainly for people that are in transit, people who maybe you don't have a visa to enter Zambia, so they could actually be staying in that hotel as well.
As you drive away from the airport, another facility on the cards is a shopping mall which will be ready for use come December 2018. Not only that, the Zambia Airport Corporation will move into this new office complex as their new headquarters. Mwembe now gives out the overview of the progress made this far.
The current construction progress at Kenneth Kaunda International Airport is as follows. The new passenger terminal, also known as Terminal 2, is at 82%. The hotel is at 73%. The rescue and fire services station is at 98%. The air traffic control tower is at 86%. The presidential pavilion is at 81%. The cargo terminal is at 85%. The airport shopping mall is at 70%, and the airport office complex is at 65%. The overall completion of the projects at Kenneth Kaunda International Airport currently stand at 75%, and the scheduled completion date is October 2019 rather.
As the country anxiously awaits for the official use of these facilities, it is work and work for now. Tim Zulu reporting for Muvi TV News in Lusaka.